Okay, so it's 18 degrees and I think it's 1 o'clock in the afternoon. And the girls are way over there. I don't know if you can see them or not. They're in the shadows. So anyway, this is our view. All the snow. Apparently the pond is frozen over as well. So there's one girl in red. Olivia! Come here, baby! So, hi! I'm Nanuka the North. Nanuka, get it? Ah, okay. They love exploring. Olivia was just so excited to be out in the snow. And looks like here comes Clint. He's been out trying to go to the hardware store and Hevner's. So, later.